Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharmistha and this is English with Sharmistha. Today I make a promise that if you will follow my videos sincerely, your English will become perfect, not in one day but eventually. Today just listen to the story very carefully. This will be definitely for your English listening practice, but along with that it will fulfill another little purpose. There was a 12-year-old boy called Akash. One day his mother called him and said, Akash, I have been working since morning. Please go to the well and fetch a bucket of water. Okay, mother, said Akash, picking up a bucket. As he walked out of his house, two boys of his age came to him, shouting, We have been playing hide and seek. Come and join us. I can play only after some time. I have been helping my mother today. Now I am going to fetch water, said Akash. The two boys said okay and went away. As Akash reached the well, he met two girls who studied in his class. They said, Akash, we have been talking about the homework that English ma'am told us to do. Have you done it? No, I have been doing a lot of things since the morning, so I haven't got the time to do the homework yet, said Akash. The girls said, Wait here for some time and tell us if you understood how to do the homework. Akash said, I have been thinking about it and I understood how to do it. Then Akash started explaining to the girls how to do the homework. After he had done with his explaining, he went to the well to pull out water from it. As soon as he had filled the bucket, a small child came running from somewhere and stumbled over his bucket, spilling all the water and ran again. A woman was wildly running after the child. She panted and requested Akash to catch the child before he got lost out of the sight. Akash ran after the child and caught him before long. The woman said, I was convincing the child to drink milk, but suddenly he started running, and since then I have been trying to catch him. The lady thanked Akash again and went away. Again Akash pulled out water from the well when an old lady came with a bucket. She requested Akash to fill her bucket and carry the bucket to her home because she was not feeling well. Akash filled the bucket and carried it to the old lady's home, which was not very far from the well. He came back and pulled out water from the well again when his mother came. She said, What have you been doing till now? I have been waiting for you for so long. Mother, you won't believe I have been fetching water for you, said Akash. It's a long story. Let's go home. I will tell you the story on the way. So this is my story for today. Well, why did I tell you the story? Yes, definitely you can practice English listening from it. Plus, I want you to notice when the mother said, I have been working since morning, that means that she has been working from some time in the past and she continued working till the present. The boys said, We have been playing, that means playing from some time in the past and continued to play till now. Akash said, I have been helping, means he was helping from a point of time in the past till the time in the present. The girls said, We have been talking, means they were talking at a point of time in the past and they continued to talk till the present time. Then Akash said, I have been doing, means he was doing from the past and still doing. Then he said, I have been thinking, means he was thinking from a point of time in the past and still thinking. After that, the woman said, I have been trying. Have been trying means she was trying from some time and still trying. Akash's mother asked, What have you been doing? That means she asked what he was doing from some time in the past till now. Akash answered, I have been fetching water. That means he was fetching water from a point of time in the past till now. So the verb form which expresses an action that had started in the past and still continuing in the present, that verb form actually expresses the tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. It is expressed by have been followed by the verb with ing. And in case of third person singular number like he, she or it will be has been followed by verb with ing. So that was the story for you to understand how the present perfect continuous tense is used. And that's all for my video today. I hope it was useful for you. If it was useful, if you liked it, do like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Keep reading, keep listening, keep learning every day, and do take a very good care of yourself till I come with my next video. Bye for today.